Hello my friends, welcome back to another new episode of Magicycle how-to and tips. Spring has quietly arrived and the temperature is rising. Many friends will choose electric bikes as a means of transportation for going out or traveling. Currently, there are many brands of types of electric bikes on the market, and many friends are struggling to choose the right electric bike for themselves. They just don't know how to choose an electric bike that suits their needs. And this video could be a guidance on how to choose the right one for you. So guys, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe us. We'll start right now. The first key point for choosing an electric bike is selecting the right configuration. The four main core components of an electric bike are the motor, battery, controller, and frame structure. The motor can be roughly divided into two types: mid-drive motor and hub motor. The battery is available in various voltages such as 36 volt, 48 volt, and 52 volt, and various capacities such as 12 ampere per hour, 15 ampere per hour, and 20 ampere per hour. There are also different types of batteries such as lead acid, nickel metal hybrid, and lithium ion batteries. The quality, price, and performance of the controller also vary greatly. If you have any questions about electric bike components such as motor, battery, and so on, you can refer to the previous videos for more information just right here. I won't go into the details about these components again today, so let's move on. The second key point for choosing an electric bike is selecting the right brand. Before purchasing an electric bike, it is important to compare products and choose a reputable and well-established brand. It's also necessary to choose a well-known brand of electric bikes because the brand is kind of a symbol of quality. The quality levels of different electric bike brands vary greatly, and consumers should choose a brand that has been tested by authoritative organizations and proven to be reliable and practical, with a low repair rate, good after-sales service, and a high reputation. Comparing products from different brands that will allow you to evaluate factors such as quality, price, and after-sales service, and ensure that you get a good value for your money. You can also check customer reviews and the ratings online to get an idea of the performance of different brands and products. The third key point for choosing an electric bike is comparing prices. Every consumer wants to spend the least amount of money to buy the best products, I believe, but most products follow the economic laws of you get what you pay for. So, high quality, high configuration, and high performance products will be more expensive. However, you should not focus on what's the best, but what you need. When purchasing, it is essential to have a clear understanding of what you want. Key point 4. Consider your intended use. If you choose to ride long distances on the road, then you should definitely choose an e-bike with a large battery capacity. If you choose to ride on mountains or bumpy roads, then I recommend you to choose a bike with full suspension system. And of course, if you just want to look for convenience, you should choose a folding electric bike because it saves spaces and you can quickly assemble it to ride once you take it out of your car. Point 5. Examine the appearance. Paying attention to the appearance is important when purchasing an electric bike, as flaws in appearance can affect both the aesthetics and the lifespan of the electric bike, as well as the cost of the maintenance and repairs. Factors to consider include the quality of the frame and welding and surface, brake efficiency, battery startup, quality of all components, ease of installation and disassembly, durability of pedals, and whether there are any defects in plastic parts. And also, the appearance is a decisive factor that will affect the frequency of riding bikes. Point 6. Properly keep the additional small things like invoice and some accessories. Many friends might just ignore this point after purchasing an electric bike. It is important to collect and store all accessories, invoices, chargers, certificates, and user manuals, and etc. in order to enjoy better after-sales service. Some might think it's not necessary, but it's just like a bike pump. Like you might not need them right now, but when you need them, you should have it. Alright, today I shared with you like the 6 important points to note when buying an electric bike. Please remember these and may you gain a better understanding of what to look for when you're buying an electric bike. I hope my video can be helpful for you, and if you want to know more, please click the subscribe button. And if you cannot wait to get your e-bike, you can click the link in our description and go to our official website to choose your electric bike. Dear riders, let's say goodbye for now. No. And not just the sorry.